Hi dear friends, how are you? I hope you are very well. Today I'm coming with one another video which can help you to improve your speaking. I am gonna tell you some tips and some special methods which always help to you for your entire English. First of all, you have to know about every structure in the English, like tense, conjunctions, articles, prepositions, and modals, and narrations, direct, indirect, and some a little bit single structures in English. So then you will be able to speak in any different types of situation or any topic or any related to situation as you want to speak front of people. And first of all, I request you have to just leave it some things. The first thing is you have to leave the thing in our language, like in Punjabi or in Hindi. You have to leave it because when you think our language at that time you take too much time to translate in the English. You can direct think in the English, then you can speak fluently and you can speak with confident with any different types of structures. And at that time when you think in your own native language, at that time you have to recognize, you have to remember, you have to remind any word, any different types of word. And at that time you have stuck any different types of situations in any different types of topic, then you cannot speak English. So this is the easy method. You have to leave it, you just think in the English, direct in the English. But first of all, before jumping in the another structure, you have to clear every structure, every tense, modals, conjunctions, articles, and prepositions. Everything you know about English, everything is clear in your mind, in your brain, and you recognize everything, you remember everything. Have you learned something in your life related to English? Then you can speak English. If I would like to say again, if you have cleared everything in your mind, if you practice in your mind, if you practice a lot in your mind all structures again and again, repeat all the structures, because our subconscious mind work all the time. When you free, when you are cleaning your room, when you are eating something, when you are playing something, if you are going anywhere, and that condition you can practice in your subconscious mind, because our subconscious mind remember all the things, and you can learn English. Remember this.